Hello once more. I'm here at True Value at Shangri-La Mall again for Cake Boss baking demo with none other than Chef Dorothy Ferreria. Here she is.
We will be doing a cupcake, a cookie, and an icing.
Thank you, Chef.
Even beginners will be able to do the recipes. Yeah, so it would be very interesting kasi meron tayong finished product. You'll be able to taste the product. You'll be able to do it in front of me. I'll help you mix.
Oh,
So it's an interactive thing.
This is an interactive demo by Chef Dorothy.
Cake Boss. We will be tasting the products, the cookies and the cupcakes. We will be asking some of you to help us decorate the cupcakes. We'll be doing some typing and some mixing. I want you to guess the secret ingredient in this cookie.
I'm gonna guess. How about we ask someone else? Who here wants to guess the special ingredient? These are butter cookies, no, Chef?
Yes.
Butter cookies, but there's a special ingredient. Who here wants to guess? Miss Joy, would you please?
Potato chips.
We have potato chips, Chef.
Is that right?
Potato chips. What kind?
Sour cream and onion.
Your favorite is, let's say, chicharon.
Chicharon.
Chicharon, you can put these
You
in a
can put
cookie.
chicharon.
Oy,
If
gusto
your
ko yan.
favorite is bacon, you can add some cookie.
Oh,
Oh, bacon.
definitely one of my
Profit.
favorites. So yeah, I guess it's your limit is just your imagination,
Correct.
to the most part.
Because the trend now in dessert making is when you have both salty and sweet in a recipe. And we're doing that now with this recipe.
All right, so you guys tried some of the cookies. How are they?
Yum.
Good?
Yes,
All
good.
right, so now we're gonna learn how to make them. So Chef, of course, we're gonna be using our Cake Boss bakeware products.
You'll be, I like it because it's very light. Unlike if it's glass, you can have accidents in the kitchen, it can break. This one will not break.
Okay.
And then it has rubber ring. Therefore, it doesn't move.
Yeah, can we see this? This is really cool, guys. Check this out. So I'm gonna lean on this, putting all my weight on it, and it will not move. So imagine if you're mixing, you know, I could be roasting and mixing up the batter. You guys wanna check it out? You can put it on the table. It won't move. You guys wanna check it out?
Have in your kitchen. I always say this to my students, don't be slaves in the kitchen. You must enjoy baking. And the way to enjoy it is to have good products in the kitchen and keep them.
Yes, exactly. Very.
After you also need the Cake Boss rubber spatula.
Yes.
What do you see here?
Okay, let me check this out with the audience. Does anyone know how many ounces there are in a cup? Does anyone know how many ounces are in? No, excuse me. Does anybody know how many tablespoons are in 1 ounce? Well, you don't need to know that because if you have one of the spatulas, you have it right here. So in case you're doing a recipe, maybe you need to expand the recipe, you need to double it, or you need to maybe make a half recipe. You can check it out. It's right there. All the conversions for the measurements.
Now, the print is there always.
Okay.
It doesn't come out.
So that's definitely permanent. So that's there for life. So again, that's the quality of that. I mean, you.
Other rubber scrapers, you just have the scraper in the end. With this, one side is squarish, thinner at the edge. That's why it gives you that scraping ability better than most rubber scrapers. And of course, to measure our vanilla, we'll be using Cake Boss measuring spoon.
Cute.
It's so cute. Look at the colors.
So cute.
It's almost the same as your mixing bowl.
Smashing. There you go.
Yep. Super cute.
So very stylish, very useful. Since we're making cookies, Chef, quick question. What is your favorite cookie to eat?
To eat this cookie with bacon. And then you dip it in chocolate. So it's a combination
Alright.
of fried bacon, buttery cookie, and then you have the dark chocolate mixed into the batter.
Wow.
It's something that is, you'll be proud
Sounds
of once
simple.
you're able to do it in your own kitchen.
Bacon.
Help me mix.
Oh, over here. Would you like to help Chef?
Hello.
Facebook account.
Oh, there we
Just look
go.
for me.
What's your name, by the way? Her name is Gabby. Let's give Gabby a round of applause.
Yay.
Helping out Chef
Gabby.
Dorothy.
Yeah, okay.
A future baker right there, Gabby.
How old are you? 8? Oh my gosh. I started baking at 10. And here you have a baker at 8.
She's right in. She's ahead of the game, chef.
Yes.
And again,
And then the other thing that I like about baking, it teaches you about chemistry. So it makes science kind of fun, right? So let's pour in the egg.
go Gabby. You can do it. There we go. Nice. Nice job.
This is a Cake Boss bowl, utility bowl. Because what I eat in the kitchen, some people, they use the side of the bowl to crack the egg. And what do you do when the egg is rotten?
Yeah.
You have to throw out
Everything.
So the best
Oh,
would
that's
be
right.
to break the bowl, break the egg into a small bowl, and then you pour.
Okay.
Is yellow your favorite mixing?
Gabby, do you like to cook? Do you like to eat? You like to eat, yeah.
When it starts from there.
Yeah, it starts from there. What's your favorite food to eat, Gabby? You like
Crab.
So, there we go, the secret ingredient, which we guess salted potato chips. Besides potato chips, we talked about you can add bacon, you can add chicharron. What else? What else could you add in there to make it different?
Fruits, if you wish, like dried
Fruits?
fruits.
Chocolate, nuts. I guess it's your imagination, pretty much. But it's kind of a cool combination. You have the sweet, you have the salty for the potato chips.
Adding such a thing
I really
as salted egg powder, which you
Really?
can add to your cookie batter.
So you get the flavor of the salted egg, but not all the weight of the actual egg.
This is another wonderful Cake Boss product. It's a cookie pan, and it tells you where to drop the cookies.
Oh, ang galing.
Very cool.
Very
convenient, diba?
especially for beginners.
Exactly. For people, I mean, like when you're starting out with cooking, it might be a little intimidating. You might not know what to do, but with this, I mean, there's a guide. If you want to check this out, guys, you can see where you want to put the cookies. And there's actually a reason behind that, no, Chef?
Right.
You
So it
put-
doesn't run into each other.
Yeah, so your cookies don't become like a big cookie pizza. Or cookie.
And then if you notice, it's kind of heavy.
It is kind of. Do you want to check that out?
It's so heavy.
So the heavier it is, the better.
better.
And Cake Boss cookie pan is heavy gauge. And before you know it, it's burnt already inside the oven. And look at this. This is the Cake Boss, see this logo? Cookies cook.
So there you go, hand in hand. So you have the markers. It's like an ice cream scoop, exactly. Do you want to try it out?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, you sure? You can just follow the guide, very easy.
Okay.
And it just moves into the raffle. There you go. Very helpful. Our cookie lover.
How old are you?
10.
11.
Oh, 11.
11.
Did you just turn 11? Okay, that's why. He's not used to saying 11 yet. He's still stuck on 10 years old.
Okay, I want you to use it as a scooper. There you go, until the brim. And then drop.
So everything comes out nice and even. You can see they all almost look the same. Almost. Not perfect, but almost around the same size. And that's very important because
It doesn't hurt your hands. It's smooth. It's made of
beechwood, that's right.
yes. And it's rounded. It's
Beechwood.
rounded, so when you hold it, it doesn't hurt your hand.
So
And we
very.
have to let them know that the Cake Boss in the US actually designed the products. He is a baker, so he actually dictated to the manufacturers how it should be so that they will enjoy the cooking journeys.
So, you know, it's coming from a professional chef. He's making these products to make it easier for everybody, you know. When you're in the kitchen, it's easier for you to enjoy when the products help the job, make the job a lot lighter for you.
Correct. This is ready for the oven.
Looks ready for the oven. So, please try this out again. Those are.
Kahit na.
Oh, we have a
Maybe
couple
one
more
for you and
cookies.
one for me.
You guys want some
Happiness.
cookies here?
Then we need one.
Oh, sly. Very sly. But I know you made, these are actually very special because you've added another thing to them. Not just carrots, you also are adding
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Carrot pineapple cupcakes. Has anyone here ever tried that?
No.
Carrot pineapple. We tried carrot cake.
Yes.
Carrot cake. We tried carrot cake. Yeah. We tried carrot cake, but this one has carrot and pineapple. Chef, why pineapples?
It will make it moist. That's the secret ingredient.
Oh, okay, so it's gonna add to the moistness of the cupcake. Gonna make it a little more sweet
And healthy.
and healthier, of course.
Because it gives you fiber from the carrots and the pineapple.
Is-
If you want it healthier, you can change the all-purpose flour from whole wheat flour.
Oh, okay.
So for this recipe, we're using another cake box pan. It's the cupcake roller. If you notice, if I turn it upside down, if you compare this with the local cupcake pans, this is almost straight. So it gives the cupcake this look of fullness. Because if it's the local pan that you're using and you have a smaller bottom, it's not sturdy, especially when you start putting icing on top. So this is the best shape if you want to make cupcakes. It must be almost straight. So this is what the cake boss pan can give you, that nice, perfect shape for cupcakes.
Can I check that out, Chef, please? And it's very heavy, no?
Yes.
Very sturdy. You guys want?
It bakes evenly.
Sige guys, if you want, you can go ahead.
Nice.
Very nice. Very
Very
nice.
good to make the cake batter. Is a wire whisk. I don't want the wires, but they look cute. But if you have a lot of wires, it means it's a very efficient tool for mixing.
So when you mix, it gets a lot of air into the batter
Right.
or the
And
sauce.
you also have the other version. It's larger. So which would you like to use? This one or this one?
Either one will get the job done.
See? This is the balloon whisk. It also has a lot of wires. It's silicone. So the nice thing about this is, if you're using the Cake Boss mixing bowl, it does not scratch. It's a real recipe for beginners because it's a dump everything and mix well.
Okay, we're all on the same playing field. Corn oil.
Or
See, such a professional. Just pour it all in.
it's a foolproof recipe.
And then we have our crushed
I'm
pineapple.
gonna try
I
it.
just want to ask you guys, please check us out on social media, Facebook and Instagram. It's Cake Boss Bakeware PH. So make
It's also kind of thin, the outer edge, so which gives it an efficient mixing. Okay. So next would be carrots, grate and then your flour, and
Nutmeg.
then some baking soda to make it rise and to make it dark. A little salt. The role of salt is supposed to brighten up the flavors of your ingredients.
it's like one.
Okay, hold it this way so you don't tire yourself too much.
See, helpful feature of our Cake Boss mixing bowls. It has that spout, so when you pour it in, you guys are right here. Look, it's quick.
Yes.
Again, one thing in the kitchen, no chef, you want to be quick and efficient. You don't want to spend too much time working on one thing. So this one helps you out.
And then I'm using the Cake Boss spoon, which you can also use for cooking if you're into cooking. I'll tell you a secret between the two of us. I don't know how to fry it. I can bake, but don't let me fry it.
Why, chef? Why?
I know, it's never perfect. I won't get it perfect. But you can make me bake 100 or even 1,000 cupcakes in one day, but never let me fry it.
Okay, so never,
That's our secret.
never go to Chef Dorothy's house for breakfast. She won't make you eggs. Helping chef, good job.
Good job.
Now it's ready.
How do we know it's ready, chef? Sorry.
When you see the lines, when you're
Ooh.
mixing,
So you can see it just sticks up.
you want to taste it?
Do I want to taste it? You don't have to ask me twice. Wait, I didn't get. I have to taste it again.
And again.
Wait.
Another try.
Ganda siya.
Yeah. Looks like a rose.
I tried. We have lots of cupcakes to decorate. We need help.
It's mommy's turn. Make a smiley face,
It's a
mommy.
heart.
Nice.
It's a heart. Fill it up. Fill it up.
We have a lot of artists in the building. And we get
Almonds or cocoa?
So cool.
Dunk or sprinkle?
Can I make another one?
There you go.
very nice.
Okay.
It's your first time? Not bad, not bad for
Good.
What do you guys, sir, our resident baker, Mr. Leo? Oh, yeah, there you
All
go.
my children's birthday are 8, on the 8th. The dates are December 8th.
So very special number to you. Are they here?
They're here.
Oh, they're here? Where are they?
One.
They're hiding. Are they hiding? Oh, so you give it to the daughter. Congratulations, and to your daughter. Congratulations also.
And then you can manage this.
So it comes complete with everything, you have all the designs, the spacers.
Rolly,
Try
rolly.
it out, Julia. Very cool.
There you go. This is yours. And your name is?
Julia.
Julia.
Congratulations, Julia. Getting those cookies. Again, this has been our Cake Boss Bakeware demo. I hope you guys can check them out on social media. That's Cake Boss Bakeware PH. Of course, the chef, you are also on Instagram.
Yes, Instagram, follow me, Dorothy_Ferreria, or be my Facebook friend, send me a friend request, Dorothy Ferreria.
There you go. You guys can check me out on Instagram as well. I am Steven, so please tag Chef, tag me in all your pictures. Don't forget to post and tag Cake Boss Bakeware. We hope you guys enjoyed. We hope you guys got fooled by all the recipes that we made today. Let's give Chef a round of applause. And give yourselves a round of applause to all our lovely volunteers. Thank you very much. My name is Steven Silva. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you.